Hey guys, Ford Man here. I'm going to try this homemade bean soup with carrots, celery, onions, and of course the beans.
And some ham.
And some ham in there, yes. And I will say this, it is hot. It smells really good. If you could smell this, if there was a such thing as smell-o-vision, mmm. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, that is definitely 10, and it will make your tongue slap your brain. And it is good and tender, too. The beans is really good. It's even got corn in there, too. So, yeah. So, I give this a 10 all the way across the board. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to get off here and enjoy the rest of this. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.